Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. We just installed this T-Rex grill with a ZROADZ light bar on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It gave it an awesome look, and today we're going to show you how to install it. This kit includes a very nice grill insert with a 10-inch super bright LED light bar and its own wiring harness. It's going to give our Jeep a nice custom look while improving off-road visibility, and it comes with everything you need for installation. So today we're going to install it on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4-inch ratchet, 8mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 11mm socket, 3/8 socket, a marker, a drill, 1/8 drill bit, some sort of cutting tool, tape, and safety glasses. The first part in this process is removing the factory grill by removing the 6 clips on top of the grill. Pull on the grill to remove it. Make sure you unsnap all of the clips. Unplug the turn signal harness. Then remove the grill from the vehicle. Place the grill insert over the factory grill and line it up with the P in Jeep. Then you're going to mark your holes where you're going to drill, and then make your lines where you're going to cut the factory grill out from behind the grill insert. I'm going to drill this hole right here for the bottom pin. Then we can get our marks where we're going to cut the grill out. Now I'm going to place painter's tape on the very edge of the grill. Then I'm going to cut inside the painter's tape. This so I can keep track and keep my cut straight. And make sure that I cut the right amount. I'm going to cut right here and then work our way down until it looks nice. I'm not going to make one big cut and mess up. I'm going to work my way down until it looks nice. With all the slots cut out, we can test fit it and see how it looks so far. It's looking really good. I'm going to trim a little bit more on the bottom. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Now that we know the grill fits, you can file down the edges if you like to make them nice and smooth. Peel off the tape. Once you trim the grill, install your new grill and see how it fits. Alright, it's looking pretty good. We can go ahead and fasten it down. Install a tab over each stud and a nylon nut. Tighten down each nut with an 8mm socket. You can install this optional piece behind the Z-Road emblem if you like. Install the outside screw first. Then put a nut on the back side. Then the light bar bracket goes through these bolts as well. Place a bracket on each side of the light bar. Install a nylon nut and then tighten it down, but not all the way. You want some adjustment for it right now. Yep. Leave it about that loose so you do have some adjustment. Then you can tighten it down later. Insert 2 bolts through the holes right here. Then place the light bar bracket over the bolts. Then this backing plate. And finally the 2 nuts. And do the same thing for the other bracket. Once you get all the bolts in place, you can tighten them down with a 1/8 Allen key and a 3/8 socket. Now you can adjust the light bar and tighten it down. Now it's ready to be installed on the Jeep. Set the grille in place and then plug in the turn signals, lock the tab, then install all the clips on the grille and push it in. This grille does come with its own wiring harness so you can easily wire it up, but we're going to wire ours up into our trail rocker system, but you can wire yours up any way you would like. Here we are about 15 feet away from our wall, and the only thing we have lit up is the light bar inside the grille. And as you can see, it is incredibly bright. It's really going to help out when we're off-road. Our T-Rex grille is installed. It looks absolutely awesome on this Jeep. It matches the headlights and the turn signals really well. The light bar will help us out when we're off-road. Installation is going to take about an hour and a half, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.